Welcome to Canal Market Academy. In this video, we will talk about an essential tool for every entrepreneur, the business plan. A business plan is a detailed guide that charts the path to success for a new venture or an established company. We'll show you why it's important and what key elements should be included to ensure the growth and profitability of your business. Let's get started. Before we begin, we are pleased to remind you that the book The Road to Financial Freedom and Happiness by author Maximiliano Nicolas is available in its physical and digital version for purchase, providing you with valuable financial advice for entrepreneurs like you. Now, let's delve into what a business plan is and the steps to make one correctly. A business plan is a written document that describes in detail the vision, mission, objectives, strategies and actions that will be taken to establish and develop a new business or grow an existing one. It is an essential tool that provides a clear and coherent roadmap for entrepreneurs and business owners, helping them to understand the viability and potential of their business. Now we will see how important it is to create a business plan correctly and how this can help our business in a positive way. Vision and objectives. A business plan helps you define your company's vision and mission, as well as the short, medium and long-term objectives you want to achieve. This clarity of goals allows you to stay on track and focus on what really matters for the success of your business. Informed decision-making. A solid business plan provides you with relevant information about the market, competitors, potential customers, necessary resources, and potential risks. This information allows you to make informed and strategic decisions at every stage of your business. Attracting investors and funding. If you are seeking funding or investors for your business, a well-structured and convincing business plan is crucial. Potential investors will want to see how you plan to use the funds and how you will generate profits in the future. Now we will look at the key elements of a successful business plan. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The SWOT analysis is a fundamental tool in a business plan. It allows you to identify the internal strengths and weaknesses of your business, as well as the external opportunities and threats it faces. By knowing these factors, you can develop strategies to leverage your competitive advantages and meet the challenges. Market segmentation and positioning strategy. In this section, it is important to identify and segment your target audience. Knowing your customers will allow you to tailor your product or service offerings to their specific needs. In addition, define a clear positioning strategy that differentiates your business from the competition and highlights the unique benefits you offer. Operations and production plan. Detail how you will carry out the day-to-day operations of your business. Include information on equipment needed, location, supply chain and production capacity. Make sure processes are well defined to ensure efficiency and quality of products or services. Human resources plan describes the team needed to execute the business plan and the skills they should have. Define responsibilities, organizational structure, and hiring and compensation policies. A talented and committed team is an invaluable asset to the success of any business. Marketing and sales strategies detail how you plan to promote your products or services, as well as the distribution channels you will use. Define your pricing, promotions and advertising strategies to attract customers and generate revenue. Also include plans for customer service and loyalty. Risk and contingency analysis. A sound business plan should consider potential risks and how to address them. Identify the most significant risks that could affect the operation of your business and develop contingency plans to minimize their negative impacts. We will now present the correct way to present a business plan. Organization and style. The presentation of the business plan should be clear, organized, and professional. Use a clean, legible layout and make sure the structure is consistent and easy to follow. Include a table of contents for easy navigation through the document. Effective executive summary. The executive summary is a critical part of the business plan, as it is the first thing potential investors or partners will read. It should be brief, but impactful, highlighting key points and investment opportunities. Solid facts and projections. It is critical to back up your claims with hard facts and figures. Provide accurate and verifiable information about the market, the size of the opportunity and financial projections. The credibility of the business plan will depend largely on the strength of this data. Now we will introduce you how to do a business plan review and update correctly. Constant monitoring. A business plan is not a static document. You should review it periodically to ensure that it remains relevant and adapts to changes in the market and in your business. Conduct quarterly or annual reviews to assess progress and make adjustments. Learning and adapting. As you implement your business plan, new opportunities and challenges will arise. Learn from experiences, analyze the results, and adapt your plan as needed. Adaptability is key to the long-term success of any business. In conclusion, a well-developed and presented business plan is essential to the success of any venture. It provides a clear vision of the direction of your business and guides you in making strategic decisions. A solid business plan increases your chances of attracting investors, obtaining financing, and achieving success in the competitive business world. Remember that, in addition to creating the plan, monitoring and updating it is critical to keep it relevant and effective as your business grows and develops. At Canal Market Academy, we provide you with knowledge and tools to improve the management of your business. Don't hesitate to sign up for our courses and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more valuable content on financial education and accounting for entrepreneurs. Don't forget to purchase the book Camino hacia la Libertad Financiera y la Felicidad by Maximiliano Nicolas, available on Amazon, to get even more practical tips for financial success. Thanks for joining us for this video on accounting basics for entrepreneurs. Remember that well-managed accounting is the foundation for a thriving business. See you next time.